Welcome to Alyvix. This video tutorial provides a detailed explanation on how to use sections and employ section logic. Sections in Alyvix contain sets of actions with a name that you can define. They are similar to named subroutines in programming, allowing you to create one or more separate scripts in addition to the main script, and then use them as if they were a single test case object. Sections appear in the scripting management panel at the left. In addition to the predefined main, fail, and exit scripts, there are actions to add, rename, remove, drag, auto-insert, and debug your own sections. When used in a script, such as a run, conditional, or loop node, they appear with a gray-green background and a link icon. 3 top-level sections are predefined. The main section runs first, and in most cases, when it completes, the exit section then runs to set the application back to its original state, so that the test case can run over and over without manual intervention. When Alyvix Robot starts, it first executes the main section. If a timeout was exceeded while trying to match a test case object whose break flag is set, Alyvix will stop running the main section and begin running the fail section. The fail section should then perform any actions needed to clean up the partially completed application state, such as windows that are left open. Once the main or fail section is completed, your exit section should log out and hard kill any opened applications that were used during the test case. Note that when you construct both your fail and exit sections, you should unset the break flag in all of their test case objects to ensure that every one of them executes. Imagine you are testing the responsiveness of an application like Microsoft's Dynamics AX, which you've opened via RDC. What would happen if you didn't have a fail or exit section? Your RDC session would remain open after the test case completed, so that the next test case run a few minutes later wouldn't find the same initial state as the one that just completed. Let's take a look. Our main section includes the steps to log in to a Windows server via RDC, launch Dynamics AX, navigate to the General Ledger page, do some work, and then close the AX application. What if we just stopped here without logging out of AX? The next time we run the test case, RDC will still be open, causing a conflict when we open it again. We can fix that by adding a step to the exit section that will kill RDC. Now, regardless of whether or not the test case succeeded, we can be sure that the next time we run it, RDC will not still be open and connected, causing a conflict. So what happens if in the main section a match doesn't occur before the timeout expires in a step with the break flag set? Let's take our example and force it to break. As usual, our Alyvix test case logs in with RDC, starts our application from the desktop, and navigates to the right page. But when it tries to match the contents of the first window, it fails because it can't do the full match within our new 1-second timeout period. The console window shows the name of the failed step. The key to properly exiting the target application after running your test case, whether it's a native app or a web app, is to carefully construct your fail and exit sections. Since they will run consecutively and without triggering another break, they shouldn't contain the same steps. A good division of labor is to close windows in both the main and fail sections, but sign out and kill applications in the exit section. And remember to unset the break flag on any test case object you use in either the fail or exit sections. With a proper fail section, when Alyvix Robot runs the next time, the Dynamics AX launch icon will be visible. Without a proper fail section, when an error occurs, the previous windows will instead still be visible, and any subsequent test cases will also fail, since Dynamics AX is persistent. So sections in Alyvix let you group test case objects that go together, whether you want to make your scripts more readable or to repeat a certain subset of actions multiple times. The 3 top-level sections are managed automatically. Main and exit will always run, while fail is only executed if the main script breaks. Thanks for watching this Alyvix video tutorial. Be sure to check out the Alyvix website, blog, and user guide at these links.